Vat19 presents Burning Questions featuring customer inquiries about the with your host, Greg Poop Poop.
Good mythical Morgan queries, will it slush? There's only one way to find out. Yes, yes, no, no, and believe it or not, no. Dennis asks, what happens if I add Alka-Seltzer to my slushy? Will I still have to squeeze? Not so much a fizzy as a fizzy, and also kind of busy. The Faye questions, what food pairs best with a slushy? Well, that depends on the slushy. Car, he asks, how does this work? Does it have something to do with the collagorative properties of aqueous solutions and how stoichiometrically high molar concentrations of solute depress the freezing temperature? Yes. Sith wants to know, is lemon juice slushy as sour lemon juice? The Slushy Maker captures all of the flavor, whether you want it to or not. The 88888 demands to know, can it slush something that's not a food? Anything can be in the slushy if you're not allergic to toxicity. Let's try food.
Stop it. Get some help.
That's not suitable for consumption. Don't drink food. Fast Break 383 ponders, how should I squeeze the Slushy Maker to achieve Slushy Maker? No. Controversially inquires, with climate change upon us, can I use the Slushy Maker to create snowballs? Ooh, no. Well, that's it. Till next Slushy Maker. No. And shop Das